guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. How's everybody doing today? Today I have a new product for you, especially if you go to the range quite a bit and you want to capture your progress and your target shooting on camera. As you guys know, it's very difficult to see at the range. Sometimes 50 yards, 100 yards, you can't even see the target very clearly, no less capture it on camera. Well, today I've got a new product for you. This is the new 20 times to 60 times by 60 millimeter straight spotter scope. Comes with the tripod as well as the unique cell phone mount. Like I said, it is nitrogen. It is 20 by 60 times by 60 millimeter, and it's nitrogen purged. Comes with caps on both sides. I have already installed it because it took quite a bit of time. It all was enclosed in this nice vinyl bag, and all I had to do was screw the scope onto the tripod itself, attach the cell phone mount onto the lens here, and you have to first take it to 60. I wanted the max to show you exactly how far the scope could see. So it starts off at 20 yards up to 60 yards. I have a second cell phone here that I have placed on there, and it takes a little bit to aim it directly at what you need. As you can see over there, that's the roof of my neighbor's shed. And that is 60 times. You can see the shingles there, and you can record, take pictures, whatever. If it's windy, it could move a little bit, and then you'd have to readjust. So that's why I didn't do an unboxing, is because it took a long time to hook it up to where it is right now. This is going to be very useful for when I go to the range. I've never really been able to capture my shots on a target with any kind of video filming, so it's very difficult to do. But with this new item, I can't wait to try it out on my next trip to the range. As you can see from the yellow house in my backyard, look on the very top of the roof. You'll see the disc vent on top. I haven't pointed to it right now. And look at the quality and clarity of that little vent, the chimney. It is so clear. You can simply just press record, and you're recording everything that you're shooting. Pretend that's a target. You'd be able to see exactly what you're hitting and capture it all on video, so you can review later when you get home. Fantastic, huh? So the scope itself is just your standard mount. They gave you this tabletop tripod, but if you have a regular size tripod, you can attach this to a universal mount. Really useful to have. As you can see, it's very windy today, but it hasn't moved from the mount. It's fantastic. I've always wanted one of these things, especially if you're a gun enthusiast that likes to go to the range relatively often. You can capture your targets while you're shooting on video. Super. So as you can see in my backyard, the neighbor's chimney is over there with the chimney cap. So we've got the scope set up here on my barbecue grill, and I have another phone, and as you can see, there's the chimney cap. Very close. See that? See how that works? So that's very close and very clear, and we can record everything. To give you another perspective, my neighbor's house right there, if you look at the chimney, there is a vent on top of the chimney, okay? This thing right there. Got this pointed there. As you could see the grates on the chimney, see? All able to be recorded. So it gives you an idea about how close you can get. It's quite decent. So it does take a bit to get it set up. The angle going down, matching it perfectly with the camera lens to the camera output of the phone. Adjusting the distance, we have this at the max, 60. So it takes a little bit of dialing in for you to be able to get it pointed to the target. But once it is connected though, you could see it's very clear and obviously, most importantly, recordable on your phone. So that's my Pinty Optics 20 to 60 times by 60 millimeter spotter scope. It's a great thing to have at the range and to capture all of your target shooting for the day. Great item. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one, and we'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. You gotta go bing! Bing!
Henry, address the bullet.
Hello, bullet! Hello, bullet! Dead ski.
Better?